So this is just one of the preliminary drawings that we have. This is the main sanctuary of the church, the upper floor that you walk into. And I just want to show you very quickly how we're dividing it. We're dividing it into a few zones. I'm going to do that with color
and rugs.
mostly, but essentially it's a big open space, sort of a great room. The door we'll be using and the door to the extension. So this zone here is kind of the high traffic area. This part is the kitchen, obviously, sort of drawn in kitchen. This will be dining area. And tucked in this space, and maybe sort of including beside the steps a little bit, this will be the living room. Not a huge movie space, that'll be in the basement, but this is just like, you know, fancier, maybe the fancy guest visiting room. And then this little funny thing here is we are building an L-shaped wall, not all the way up. Obviously, you want to keep it open, but this is going to be our mudroom. So coats, jacket, boots, all of that does not escape this space. We have a lot of messy kids who all play sports and track mud in and always want to bring sticks and mess in. And so, you know, Canada and a million different weather coats, we really need a mudroom. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do just with this little space, just this space here. Hopefully also it cuts on wind, and then just someone at the door, not necessarily seeing the whole house in one go. So this will be the benches, the pews, where we're gonna add the wood from the pews in, and sort of closet doors. I have an Ikea idea that I'm gonna hack up to make this a proper mudroom. So everybody gets a closet, including Tao and I, and the pup, and for guests. It even comes with blue doors that'll be easier to paint over closer to the color that we want. We're going with a shorter profile as all of them will be raised up the height of the pews. Closets are on a base, and then a bench with the pews wood will be in front of that. This is the official mood board for our entryway mudroom. Colors and elements will be used throughout the house that are very similar, but this is the core and vibe. And here's the before. Some painting's already done, but this is the pre-wall, pre-everything.